All right, our fluency and our vocabulary are going to be in this video. So Jack has a piece of wood that is 12 and 2/3 inches long. He divides the wood into pieces that are 3 and 4/5 inches long. How many pieces will he have? So we are going to divide, not cross that out. We're going to divide. So we have 12 and 2/3 divided by 3 and 4/5. Now, when we take a look at that, move that over a little bit, we need to turn these into improper fractions. So we're going to do 3 times 12 and then add 2. 3 times 12 is going to be 36 plus 2, 37, 38. And we're going to keep the same denominator as 3. Then we have 5 times 3, which is 15, plus 4 is 19. We're going to keep the same denominator as 5. Now, we're going to keep change flip. Kentucky Fried Chicken with a twist. Kentucky Chicken Fried. So we have 38. We're going to keep that fraction, thirds, times 5/19. What we can do is take a look diagonally and see if there's a number that we can simplify into them. So can 3 and 5, can a number go into those evenly without having any left over? No. What about 38 and 19? Ooh. I know that 19 can actually go into 38 2 times. So 19 can go into both. 19 can go into 19 one time. 19 can go into 38 2 times. Now we're going to multiply straight across. 2 times 5 is going to be 10. 3 times 1 is going to be 3. So we have 10/3, which can also equal to, if we have 10 divided by 3, 3 goes into 10. Well, 3 can't go into 1, so 3 goes into 10 3 times. You get 9, you subtract, you get 1. So you have 1 left over, keep that same denominator, so it'll be 3 and 1/3. So our answer is going to be 3 and 1/3. You can put pieces if you'd like. So 3 and 1/3 pieces. Let's go ahead to that vocabulary. We're going to place a check mark over the correct value of the inner quartile range of the following box and whisker plot. Remember, the inner quartile range are in these 2 quartiles, the inner ones. So remember, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The inner 2 are in here, so in the box. So we're going to take a look, and we'll have quartile 3, and we're going to subtract quartile 1. So quartile 3 is at 40, quartile 1 is at 33. So 40 minus 33 is going to be 7. So it is that green one, not the green one, the pink one. It is 7. And that's going to be it for our fluency and vocab. Great job.